Alrighty, hello everybody. Welcome back to my tutorials. Today we are going to be going over how to put down a top surface and as well as changing subregions and we can do with that. So for today I just made an architectural file here. So you see up in here in the tabs we're going to go over to masking and site. In the masking and site we have model site. Here we're going to have our top surface. So if we click on top surface right here, we want to, first we want to make sure we're in 3D mode. Alrighty, now we're in 3D mode. You see our work planes as well right here. Got our fluorescence level 0. So right now, we're going to go top surface and make sure elevation's at 0. Materials by category, we're going to have it as dirt, but you can change whatever you want to there. So we're going to go here. Let's just make our site going to be nice and big. There we go. So we got our site here. Down here, we're going to change it to realistic so we can see what it looks like. And so now, let's go up to top here, get a top view. Here's our site. Nice dirt and whatnot. So in this modify site, we have something called subregion. And what subregion is, it lets us define the area of our top surface to make it we can have asphalt or whatever we want to do. So right here we got tools. These lets us draw lines and whatnot. So let's make a driveway here. It's gonna be really cool. Nice. Perfect. Yep, this perfect driveway. Here we go. Alrighty, so now we got our driveway for our house. So while we're in this editing mode here, we got your properties bar. In the properties bar, we want to go to materials by category. And here you can search for whatever you kind of want. So let's try, here we go. Why not? Let's go here. I want to go to concrete. Let's go concrete lightweight. Why not? Alrighty. So now you can see, let's put our center right there. Now we can pivot around. So as you see now, we have our little area here, and that's pretty much basically how you can define subregions and get what you want. So thank you for watching.